Hi guys, it's me, Mitchell02. Finally, I got my hands on the Xiaomi KingSmith walking pad. So this walking pad is a very compact one where you can keep and place inside your room, inside your living room, or even the kitchen if you like to. So I'll just try to walk you down on how to use this walking pad. So zooming into the display, you can see here. Right now, I'm trying to calibrate everything. So you can see the 4.0 is the speed, kilometers per hour. Then the display down there is the power button, the manual, and the automatic mode. Okay, as you can see. So on the side, we have the main function button. Okay, that's to power up and power down the machine. So right now we have already pressed the stop. So right here we have the remote wherein we can up the speed, down the speed, change the mode. So this one is to stop, emergency stop. We have at the back we use a CR2032, which is a pretty common CMOS battery for motherboards. Okay, so on this side we have the main switch. Okay, so this is a 3-prong plug, as you can see there. Okay, so the walking pad is okay, so it's a 3-prong. So this one are the roller guides wherein you can manually move this using this roller to another room. Okay, it's not really that heavy if you ask me. Okay, and okay, basically the walking pad is made of good materials. Okay, then right now we're trying to use the automatic mode wherein when you step up, it's to speed up. When you step down, it's going to slow down. Okay, so right now you still cannot use this unless you calibrate it. So let's try this one. Okay, so starting in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so we're on the top of the walking pad, so we're speeding up. Okay, right now we're calibrating. Okay, it tells me to step down to lower down the speed. So okay, so we're still trying to figure this thing out. It's not yet really that perfect at the moment. Okay, so we're already down here, and yeah, the speed is going down from 3.0 down to 2.8. We just probably need to hit the spot, slow everything down, and right now it's not really functioning that well based on what we are expecting it to be. Up there it's easy, down here it's okay. So right now I'm sweating it out. Okay, so we press the stop button and it stopped. Okay, so it goes. Okay, so we're still calibrating on the going speed up. Okay, it tells us to speed down. There you go. Now we're getting the hang of it. Okay. Okay, so going back. Probably this is the last calibration that we need to do before we can finally fully utilize this walking pad. Okay, speed down. Okay, so finally we can step off, finish calibration. Okay, we can long press to hibernate the status of the walking pad. Okay, it's in standby, so press the mode to activate. Okay, so it's going back, continue. Okay, so you can see your stats. Okay, then you can place your goal, your daily goal. Okay, so congrats, we're done. Max speed of 6 km/h is unlocked. So this is probably like the Mi just scooter wherein you need to unlock the speed. Okay, so yeah, it can provide you with insurance if you like. You can skip if you don't. Okay, so today we walk half a kilometer for today. So taking a quick look. Okay, so some common settings, firmware, and whatnot. Taking a quick look at the calibration. Yeah, if the belt is not aligned, you need to calibrate. Okay, just it's still pretty brand new, so we don't need to. So here's the guide, the preference, and okay, so yeah, you can set the max speed to 6. Probably this is the best right now. Okay, so some quick look along here. You can set the nut here. When you calibrate it, this will elevate a little bit so that the pad will not keep on shaking when you run up to 6 kilometers per hour. So, okay, so to fold this thing up, it's quite easy. Okay, all you need to do is just something like this, and you're done. And if you want to pull the flap up, okay, simple. Again. And by the way, it's a Xiaomi plug. Okay, so MI logo is present here. Okay. Okay, so since if you want to move this thing around just like this, there's 2 roller wheels down there. Okay. So basically, this is it for me. And if you want to take a look down here, what's under here is, well, still the pad. Of course, KingSmith, and this is the serial number. Okay. It's another good collaboration between Xiaomi and KingSmith for this awesome walking pad. Okay, so I am Mitch002 holding another Mi gadget. Thanks for watching.